Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to enable mobile notifications on Fiverr. Why would you want to know how to enable mobile notifications on Fiverr? Well, maybe it is your first time using Fiverr and not sure how to enable mobile notifications on Fiverr. So today I am going to show you how to enable mobile notifications on Fiverr. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. If you are constantly getting work on Fiverr and not receiving notifications on mobile, don't worry, the process is very simple. First of all, open any browser and type fiverr.com at search bar. Here at the top right corner, you are seeing profile icon. Click on it. Now click on settings. Then click on notifications. From here, if these options are not tick marked, please tick mark all the options in mobile column and then click on save. You will receive all notifications on mobile. There you go. If you wanted to know how to enable mobile notifications on Fiverr, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.